Hi, my name is Rachna Rajpal Vasudeva. I started my journey from the auditions at Shangri-La Hotel, where I got selected. वहाँ मेरा selection हुआ from the members who were from Glamours Entertainment and also their jury members. मेरे को पता चला एक दिन बाद कि मैं select हो गई हूँ. I felt very happy and at the top of the world. मेरे बेटे ने मुझे बताया, मम्मी मेरे मोबाइल पे scroll करके, मम्मी your name is come in the mail. I was like so happy. I couldn't believe कि ये हो गया है. And then I started my journey with the launch party. We were invited by Glamours Entertainment launch party के लिए at Barish in Noida. It was a wonderful party. We enjoyed meeting lots of people. Glamours Entertainment, the jury members, the contestants, everybody was there. We enjoyed ourselves, and then we had our online training sessions which we got. हमें trainings मिली from different people, different aspects of life. We really enjoyed. We learnt a lot. बहुत सीखने को मिला. Diet plans which we never thought. कुछ ऐसी चीजें जो हमने कभी सोची नहीं कि हमें ध्यान देनी भी चाहिए. We really got into the nitty-gritties of lot of things. It felt nice. Then we went on with our journey to the finale. We started preparing for our trip to the Solan, where Kasauli में जहाँ पर हमारा show था. The pageant was going to be held. So we all were all geared up and excited for the journey. Nervousness भी थी, excitement भी थी. Family members were wondering, wow, what's happening? घर में बहुत हलचल. It was just a different feeling. And then packing your outfits, your attires, your dress rehearsals, सब कुछ चल रहा था साथ साथ. Then we got into the bus for our travel to the journey of Solan. And बीच में हम लोग रुके for the ढाबा रात को. It was a different journey. वहाँ पर हमारा welcome इतना बढ़िया हुआ at the ढाबा. It was such a great feeling. ऐसा लग रहा था कि हम already celebrities बन गए हैं. So that feeling was amazing. And after that we went on ahead for our journey. We continued the journey to Solan. We reached there. हमारा welcome बहुत बढ़िया हुआ. They welcomed us so beautifully with the cap of Solan, the Kasauli Himachal cap. They gave us the garland, the tika. It was beautiful. उसके बाद हमारी training शुरू हुई with our Sherry, the choreographer who trained us so well. हमारे रात we were ongoing trainings, the ramp walks. हमारा makeup चल रहा था with Lakme Academy. We had a shoot which was going on. So there was hands were completely full. We didn't have time to even sit and just say, oh, let's just relax. So it was amazing. And the show day came, and that was the day. हमारे hearts were beating, pounding. We were feeling, I don't know क्या होगा, winner होंगे, we have to win. सबके दिल में हलचल थी कि हमें जीतना है, हमें जीतना है. उसमें हमने अपना best foot forward डाला. We put in our best, and the performances were good. We had our talent round there. We put in our talent, best of talents, and I was so glad that I was selected, and I got a subtitle of Mrs. Glowing Skin, and that was a great feeling. My daughter couldn't believe, who had come with me to see the show. I felt at the top of the world. And then when we got the crown, I was crowned. I felt so good by Miss Shivani and Dr. Kapil Kishore. I felt amazing. Thanks to Glamours Entertainment. I must give the credit to Glamours, Varun. They have been amazing people. And उसके बाद when we returned home, the welcome was amazing at home. जब हम आए, हमारे husband, बच्चे, it was like my parents कुछ believe ही नहीं हो रहा था. They were so excited कि you have won the crown. It was tremendous. उसके बाद हमारा telecast हुआ of the show and at the national television, and my whole society was so proud of me, and till date they say that we are proud to have you with us. इससे ज़्यादा बड़ी चीज़ कोई नहीं हो सकती. When you have your own platform amongst your own family members, your society people, your social media, it was amazing. And today we are doing lots of ad shoots with Glamours. Thanks again to Glamours Entertainment, and I hope to keep on with them for long years. Thank you.